Over the last several years, I've had quite a few videos removed from YouTube for various reasons. Back during the quarantine phase, a lot of them were removed because I could not prove that I was a subject matter expert to speak on things of bacteriological and microbiological significance, which is ironic because I can document that I have taught microbiology here several times. Now, this week, a video that's been up for months was removed because it contained medically inaccurate information. And I've asked YouTube to tell me what was medically inaccurate about it. Because it really just seems that you are guilty here until you are proven innocent. Unfortunately, I think that's how the world works most of the time, is that you have to prove that you didn't do anything wrong and not they have to prove that you did something wrong. There are people all over the internet who watch videos, who read posts, and who report stuff. And I've reported my share of things, not because I'm petty, but because they were hateful, incited violence, or were, illegal. Sharing your opinion about things is not illegal. And I'm really kind of curious what it was in there that they found inaccurate. I will not pretend to be a medical professional. Just because I train aspiring medical professionals does not make me one. And if you ask my students, they will tell you I don't portend to expertise I don't have. If they ask me questions I don't know, I will tell them that and ask them if they really want to know, and then go look it up and bring back an answer, because that's the responsible thing to do. I will share things, and I don't couch myself as a subject matter expert on everything, except that what they're actually after is something where I don't think anyone has actually drawn an official position. It's just that whoever reported it, their opinion differs from mine. And of course, because it's anonymous, I can't confront them and ask them to back it up. And so I'm going to ask YouTube to back it off. This is my first strike, which is interesting, because we may get to a point where they do me the favor of deleting this channel. Because if they delete it, then people can't see what I watch. Because if you don't log in to YouTube when you watch it, it will track and produce videos based on your previous viewing history, but it can't suggest things based on your emails or any other things in your computer because you're not logged in. It will only be able to do so based on the computer with which you access it. So if they do delete this channel, it will do me the favor of restoring anonymity to my internet activity. They won't stop me from sharing my opinions. They'll just stop me from sharing it on the internet, which then brings us to Blogger. Now, I'm not a big Google fan, and it's interesting. I've had a blog for like 11 years now, and they're less picky than YouTube is. I guess maybe it's because blogs don't resonate anymore, but after about almost a year of not posting on there, I started posting there, and I may go back to that because everybody ignores it. But the funny thing is because everyone ignores it, it's still there. So you can find it, you can read it, and you'll have to read it. But maybe that's better because I have had trolls on my channel tell me that I look ugly. Okay, there are plenty of people who look better, I'll give you that. But it's very interesting that you can earn an advanced degree in biochemistry, and then you still have to prove that you're qualified. Even though I work at an educational institution that has certified me as qualified to teach inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, nursing chemistry, microbiology. They even want me to teach anatomy. I told them no because I don't think I'm qualified for that. Environmental science, general biology. I can do all of these things here, but some pointy-headed Poindexter at YouTube thinks I'm not qualified. Now, did they vet me? Have they seen my transcripts? No. Should they? No. But it's really funny that someone trolls my channel. I've got, I don't know, less than 100 subscribers. This is not relevant. Why am I getting censored? It's just hilarious. It just tells me that they must be doing something right, because they only go after you if they perceive you as a threat. So if you have made enemies, you have either done everything terribly and horribly wrong, or you've done something terribly well. So, food for thought for today, some thoughts for you. I'm going to go get ready for class now, and what are we doing tonight? Oh, yeah, membrane transport. So, it'll be exciting. They may actually even have some fun, and we'll have a good night. And none of you will ever know about it unless they post it to the internet. I've already told them they can't post me to the internet. I do that. So, have a good night. Godspeed. Good luck. And remember, if they're threatened by you, they'll try and shut you up. Strike one. Punish me. Godspeed. Good night.